Hello, everyone. Today we'll be talking about a very useful phrase in conversation. It is the phrase by the way. By the way can be seen in two different situations when it comes to having a conversation. First of all, we see it when someone begins small talk about a certain topic and then they proceed to introduce themselves to the other individual. So, if you had the opportunity to watch my previous video, you remember that there was an animated video clip between two women. They're both discussing about how the municipality has done a great job in setting up a playground in a certain park in their neighborhood. And so one of them strikes a conversation along this topic, then proceeds to use the phrase by the way to introduce herself to the other woman. So let's watch the excerpt from that video so that you can see how the phrase is used in this situation.
They sure did a good job with this playground, didn't they? For sure, we needed something like this for the kids in this neighborhood. By the way, my name is Mary. I'm Martha. Nice to meet you, Martha. Nice to meet you too.
Great. Now, so as you can see, the phrase by the way, again, is used when you start small talk with someone, whether it's a stranger, for example, or someone you don't know very well, and then you want to transition into introducing yourself to that individual. Okay? Now, a second scenario in which we use the phrase by the way is when you're having a conversation with someone and you run dry on a certain topic. Okay, so you want to continue talking to this individual. However, you're talking about a particular topic, and then all of a sudden you don't have anything else to say about that topic. So it's at that point that you would use the phrase by the way to change to another topic of conversation. Okay, so to better illustrate or show you what I mean by this, let's watch the following video clip.
Hey, Anthony. How are you?
Not bad, Bill. How are you doing?
Couldn't be better.
How was the party last night?
Oh, I had a blast. Music was great. Food was delicious. I was there until really late.
What does really late mean?
2 in the morning.
Seems you really had a great time then.
Oh yes, it rocked.
By the way, did you hand in your essay yet?
Not at all. Don't remind me.
Hey, I won't. Well, gotta get going. See you tomorrow.
Wonderful. So you got to see the video clip between Anthony and Bill. Those are the characters in that particular video. As you saw, they have a conversation initially about a party that Bill attended. Okay, so they talk about the party and how Bill loved the party. How he had a blast, he had a great time, etc., etc. And they go on a little bit about talking about this party. But then it seems that Anthony wants now to leave that topic and talk about something else. So he uses the phrase by the way to ask Bill about whether or not he has handed in his essay. I guess they have had some assignment at school. And so Anthony then starts talking about this particular topic, handing in an essay that they have for homework. Nevertheless, it seems like Bill is not thrilled about talking concerning this particular topic about the essay. And so he shuts down the conversation right there. He says, don't remind me about it. I don't want to know about it, etc., etc. So once again, we see the use of the phrase by the way to basically start talking about a new topic whenever you have run dry about a particular topic in which you've been having a conversation around. Okay, so that's all I have to say for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments, you can write them in the comments below. Thank you.